The world better prepare for when I'm up.
What is going on, my future meta millionaires? I hope that intro got you pumped up there. Huge shout out here for credit to that intro. I just thought it'd be funny to kind of do a nice little intro on it. So Goblin King, thank you so much for that. And he said the video, he says, thanks, Terry. The video, not mine, is all Halifax, Nova Scotia. So there we go. Just want to give credit out there for the video. I did not do this. That's where the credit came from. So thank you, Goblin King. We are on the way to Meta Millionaire status. That's right. A lot to go over in today's video. So make sure you smash thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. So baby, let's get to this video. MMTLP was rocking and rolling today, up over 7% at $6.85. They tried multiple short attacks throughout the day, and every time they tried it, it got gobbled up. As you see down here, the average volume is 677,000 shares traded per day, and we about over double that at 1.238 million. Let's freaking go. And if you having trouble buying MMTLP, which is the preferred share dividend, the Nextbridge hydrocarbon, there's a sympathy play that's kind of attached to it, and that's right, MMAT. So this play is going to start running along with MMTLP, guys, because most of us holders at MMTLP, once we get paid, we're going to take a portion of that dividend money or spend out money, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to put it back into this company. So that's why this is play that it's here sitting at $1.10. You can see it was up about 4% today or so. And this is going to be a play that you can buy on any brokerage. So if you're having trouble buying MMTLP and you want to get in, now while the price is down, this is what we're going to be buying. Because I can tell you right now, a lot of the OG holders of MMTLP is going to take that money and put it right back in here, a good portion of it. So as you can see, MMAT, Metamaterials, average volume 6.3 million. We traded 7.6 million. Taking a look at the Google Trends on MMTLP is looking fantastic. As we were looking here, from the 16th to the 22nd, we are out of 48 interacted. If you go here from the 23rd to the 29th, guys, we're at a 67, and it looks like it's still kind of calculating. So we'll see how this goes here next few days. I did want to get out here and look at the interest by subregion. North Dakota is like the most happening like state for MMTLP. So comment down below what state you're at. We'll take a look here at like top 15 states. North Dakota at 100. Rhode Island 58, Oregon 52, Nevada 48, Colorado 47, Wisconsin 45, Kentucky 42, New Jersey 41, Alabama 40, Minnesota 40, Mississippi 39, Oklahoma 34, New Hampshire, Illinois, Arizona leading down the pack there. So very interesting. I like to know where my viewers are watching this from. So comment down below. Here on the OTShortReport.com, they do not have the updated numbers yet. Let me refresh just to make sure they don't have it updated. No, they do not. So here we can see they only have from the 27th, and we think we already covered that, but it's a 48% short volume for the day. Going over here to the iBorrow desk, they do have updated info here. So we can see here the fee to borrow is 22.3%, and there's only 40,000 shares. What do you think they're going to do at 40? Nothing. There's nothing they're going to be able to do at 40,000 shares. That's nothing. That'll get gobbled up, guys. We're talking now, the volume's kicking in, 1.2 million now today. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Volume stepping up. All right, we covered that there. We got a lot of information over Twitter to go over, so that's what we're going to finish the rest of this video at, and I want to get it all in this video, cramming it in for you guys. So remember to drop a thumbs up for your boy, all right? Because we want to be a future meta millionaire. All right, this tweet here was from George Palakaris, the CEO of MMAT, Metamaterials, replying back to an investor here. And he says, "Hi, Dave. Our team is diligently working towards resolving the dividend, which involves multiple parties. We appreciate everyone's patience." Now, guys, this was almost a year ago on December 2nd, 2021. Here you can see Metamaterial News here said multiple parties. So that was last year. And we have seen a lot of developments since then with a lot of the information that's out there. So exciting stuff there. Guys, I retweeted here last night 2 videos that if you're looking to get into a stock that's fairly cheap right now and you want to get into the next stock after MMTLP takes over, MMAT is going to be the play. And here's 2 videos that I shared, one from Trading Secrets Alley and one here from Tony Market Moves. So check out those 2 videos on my Twitter at TerryZ247. We're going to keep going here. We found that Microcap Daily has another article out, just published yesterday, October 30th, and it has us listed on there, guys. It's so exciting. Let's keep going here. Here we go. Yeah, so I did this tweet here, how we're making the headlines again. I tag roller pigeons, market moves, the trend is your friend, Paul here. Exciting times ahead. The full article link below. Here is the article. We'll go through some of the pictures here. And there you can see it has MMTLP is now #1 trending stock on Short Squeeze subreddit, and YouTubers covering MMTLP situations such as roller pigeons, Terry Yonkers, market moves. So that's pretty cool. Here you can see they got C-Plan here, the trend is your friend, his post from Twitter, and they got Paul T here, his post from Twitter as well. So exciting stuff. Here you can see MetaMaterials schedules the Q3 2022 results. That is going to be on November the 9th after hours. So that's going to be here in about 9 days. Exciting stuff. Here you can see earlier today, they tried to hit a short attack and trigger stop losses. Guys, if you're buying MMTLP, you know what you hold. If you know what this play is, the Oro Grande asset, 3.2 billion barrels of oil, a boatload of natural gas, 134,000 acres of land. There is so much potential. Guys, you don't want to put a stop loss on a volatile situation where the shorts are going to try any tactic. This went from $7.50 down to $3.50, and it's already come back up $7, guys, because no one's selling. They triggered stop losses. So there's no stop loss for me. Like I said, this could drop back down to $1. I'm selling everything I have, and I'm buying more. So that's my plan. Not financial advice. You do what you want to do. We got this here. Oil prices could trade above $120 next year, but extremely low diesel inventories pose an even bigger concern, top energy analyst says. And here you can see oil prices could surge in 2023. Here you can see both oil and diesel stockpiles are hovering near record lows. The EIA warned earlier this month that U.S. had only a few weeks of reserves of diesel left. And that is getting kind of scary around this area here. Short squeeze here on Twitter has this post here. MMTLP, I'm just adjusting my box here, is the only short squeeze play in history backed by 3.2 billion barrels of oil, natural gas, spread the word. And here you can see we got a nice little layout here of everything going on. Keep in mind, guys, a lot of these short squeeze plays, you can read over that as I'm talking, they don't have a lot of, I guess you want to say, stuff backing it, you know, AMC, GME, you know, AMC has the theaters, GME has the stores and the online business at GME. But this one here, man, I love the meme stocks. Trust me, I love the meme stocks. But this one here has to be one of the safest ones out there, in my personal opinion. I could be totally wrong. But, I mean, we got oil and gas backing this play. So even if this does not have a run-up of a short squeeze, there is huge potential for a huge dividend down the road or a stock swap with another huge oil player, guys. And as you see here, this is what is happening. Other oil plays we've covered in the past have paid out huge. This was funny. I said in this tweet earlier today, will the world Meta please stand up? Because as we go and look at our MMAT MetaMaterials, we are up at $1.10 at 7.84%. And Meta, Facebook Meta Platforms was down 6.24%, down $93. So will the real Meta please stand up? Quick rundown on that. When MetaMaterials MMAT tried to get listed to the NASDAQ, they wanted to use ticker symbol META, M-E-T-A. Well, we could not use it. And we didn't know for a long time why we could not. And John Bird, I believe, cleared up in one of the MetaFam space chats that Facebook Meta has already, in a sense, reserved that ticker symbol. And that's why we couldn't use it. So we used MMAT. So quick little history lesson there. And yes, I did a post earlier where on StockTwits, MMTLP was ranked number 7 on the most active. And I forgot to put the picture. So there was the proof that MetaMaterials, look at that. MMTLP was ranked higher than Meta, Facebook, guys. Think about that. Facebook. MMTLP was higher than Facebook. That says something. Our buddy Wedge here has the beautiful chart. As you can see, today we completed day number 4 of the 10 days compliance, guys. So we're on the road here starting tomorrow on November 1st to try to get that day completed as well. So let's keep that momentum going. Ihor here from the Managing Director of Predictive Analytics, S3 Partners, has post out here where he does short squeeze information. He did give us information on MMAT short interest, 32 million. 31.2 million shares are shorted, 9.83 short interest percent of float, 8.95% S3 short interest to float, and it's a 9.32% fee. Here you can see shorts are up 45 million in 2022 on market-to-market profits, which means for the whole year of 2022, shorts are currently up 45 million on their short position. But today, they lost $1 million on that positive 3.77% move. So keep that in mind, guys. All right, we got more here to keep going over. Guys, I'm just hitting you with the information. Hope you appreciate it. Just get down there and smash that thumbs up. All right, so Justin here, thank you for trying to get this information. He said, any data on MMTLP? And I think because it's the OTC stock, they don't have it in the S3 system there. So here you can see he's tweeting back MMTLP. And then here he says, no, we do not have that in the system. So John Petty here has an article out on Goldman Sachs about the price of WTI averaging about $100 in 2023, regardless of inflation. 100 is price operators can make money on expand their drilling programs. Great article there to share out as well. That's the song there. And here we got the last piece I believe I have. Simbasana here posted that TD Ameritrade has moved their limit selling price up to $351. I spoke with a trader this afternoon who told me that's the highest limit order available. As share price goes up, TD's limit sell price goes up. So for today's video, maybe we'll use $351 because that's the max that TD Ameritrade will use. So, whew, I need to take a breath. I've just been on a roll trying to give out that information to you guys. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. And if you did, you're excited for what's coming on and you don't care what happens to the share price because we know what the value is. We're going to be the future meta millionaires, guys. Going to be future meta millionaires. So I'll catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.